Welcome law aspirants to this new video. Today we are going to see upon a major question asked by CUET aspirants. How many participating universities, which is the central government university, are there in CUET UG 2025? And many are asking whether Banaras Hindu University is the only law central university of our country taking its admission through CUET UG 2025. But at the reality, there are total of 13 out of 46 central universities offering their UG law course. We are going to look upon it in this today's video, and to get admission to this top-notch central university, your gateway is through Central University Entrance Test, which is commonly known as CUET UG 2025. And to overcome this confusion with a very clear-cut manner, we will be looking on to the overview of the university and what are the courses offered by the particular university and the location of that university. Finally, what are the subjects it minimally asks for its admission in the CUET UG 2025 by calculating the particular streams courses in the entrance test. And to look upon a detailed overview, let's dive into the topic. Coming to the overall syllabus of CUET UG 2025. You should be aware of the number of subjects and number of sections available in this particular subject. And coming to the topic, there is the first domain of language, which is of 13 languages, then domain specific subjects. These include like history subjects like related to social science, then science topic like physics, chemistry, biology, and even mathematics would be available. Finally, general aptitude test, which is a single subject, and concluding with the total number of subjects, there are 37 subjects according to CUET UG 2025. Coming to general aptitude test, you would be having the subject of reasoning, mathematics, and current affairs in this particular one. Now, you must ask, why should we keep this very much in the knowledge? Because depending upon the central university to central university, like for example, different from Banaras Hindu University to Central University of Karnataka, and depending on this 13 central universities that offer law, they would be having different minimum requirement depending on the university to university. Like Banaras Hindu University would be having general aptitude test and English or Hindi as their minimum requirement, and they would be tallying their score based on the two subjects they have been asking. It would be different for Central University of Karnataka, which has the only subject of general aptitude test, and they would be calculating score of that only particular subject, but you are eligible to participate up to maximum of 5 subjects. But you would be only tallied with the score of the particular university based on different scores. For example, the total score of, let's take to Banaras Hindu University, as it has 2 subjects, the total score would be out of 500 for each and every Banaras Hindu University aspirant. But coming to the side of Central University of Karnataka, the total mark could be 250 because of their one subject general aptitude test. You must keep this concept very much clear in the mind because it creates a very much confusion in the minds of the aspirants. And to clear-cutly know about the domain-specific subject depending on to university, let's look on to the 13 law schools that are offering UG law program. Now coming to the number 1 law school, Banaras Hindu University, which is the number 1 at CUET UG 2025 for this legal program. Now coming to the nature of Banaras Hindu University, it has a very good legal journal for its particular university. You can even see in the movie Super 30, a Hrithik Roshan movie, where he would be to searching of a mathematics related journal in Banaras Hindu University. Similarly, it has a very good legal journal too in this particular central university. Coming to location, it is located in Varanasi, which is not something in legal hub, which is a negative one. Coming to course offered, they offer a single course BA Honors with LLB. You must keep this in mind. Coming to subjects required in CUET. What are the subjects they are asking in CUET UG 2025? In language, they are either asking the score of English or Hindi. And the second one, this would be your first subject, general aptitude test. This would be a second subject. Domain subjects, it would be not applicable to the intake of Banaras Hindu University. Their total score would be 500 due to 250 plus 250. Even though you score a full mark in domain specific subjects, they would be not considering the score and they would be tallying the mark of these two. Now let's for example know this concept Just we shall start with an example. If you take Banaras University for your CUET UG program, you are willing to join in that particular course. They are taking the intake by 2 specific subjects. They are asking for general test and English or Hindi. Let me take the aspirant is taking English subject for his CUET UG 2025. Let's come to the concept that that particular aspirant is taking 5 subjects for CUET UG 2025. Let us take the number 1 subject could be English as asked, the number 2 could be general test, and number 3 could be political science, and number 4 could be history, and number 5 let us take his regional language of either Tamil or any other regional language. He is taking these sort of courses. As language he is taking 2, as general test he is taking, and 2 domain specific subjects, and he is scoring in English an 100 score. General test is scoring 200, political science and history is scoring 250 of full mark. Tamil too is scoring a score of 250, which is a full mark. Even though other than getting poor score in English and general test, he is totally making outstand in other 3 subjects which he has appeared for the CUET UG 2025. Even though he made such a big achievement, for according to Banaras University, they would be taking general test score for 200 and English score of 100 and validating each total score as 300, and they would be making their total score of out of 500, they will making it as 300, and you would be validated 300 score for this particular university's counseling process, and you would be made in accordingly with the rank score of the students who are higher of him and lower of him, and the seat would be offered for first 84 students, which is offered by the course program for 5-year integrated law program. Now coming to the second one, which is University of Allahabad. This is one of the oldest law college, which is past known as Muir Central College, and which has transformed its name to University of Allahabad. And coming to the location of this college, it is located in Prayagraj in UP, and the course offered in this particular university is BLLB Honours. And coming to subjects required by CUET, it is actually totally similar to Banaras University. They are asking English or Hindi, and they are asking the general aptitude test. And same to Banaras University, they ask not applicable with any domain specific subjects. Now coming to the third university, which is known as Dr. Harisingh Gaur Vishwavidyalaya. This location is located in Sagar district of Madhya Pradesh, and the course offered is BLLB Honours. The subject required in CUET are either English or Hindi and the general aptitude test, which is similar to Banaras University, and they don't even ask your score of domain specific subject even if you are attend opposite. Now coming to the fourth university, Northeastern Hill University, which has a very good locational disadvantage, and its location is in Shillong, Meghalaya, and its courses offered is BLLB Honours, and subject required in CUET for this particular university is they are applicable with only the English subject, not of Hindi. And the second one is general aptitude test. You would be having a minimum requirement of 2 subjects, and their score too would be tallied based on these 2 subjects, and domain specific subjects are not applicable to their intake. Now coming to the fifth university, Assam University. Its location in Silchar, and course offered is BLLB Honours. Subject required in CUET for this particular university is they are to asking English and general aptitude test, and you must make a very good note on this particular university in the upcoming section. Look at this. They are asking domain specific subjects of any 2 of these following. They are asking any 2 of these 4. Those options are political science, history, economics, and sociology. You must keep a very good note of this mind, because this mark is out of 250. Due to 50 questions, one question considers 5 mark, 50 into 5, 250. This is also 250. As they are asking of 2 subjects, it is of 2 250s. Like if you are taking political science and history, you would be considered of total of 500. Their total score would be validated upon 1000 of the Assam University aspirants. Now keep this concept in your mind while preparing for the Central University entrance test and tackle it in a best manner. Now coming to the sixth university, Guru Ghasidas Vishwavidyalaya. The location is located in Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. They offer two courses, BLLB and BCom LLB. Now the subjects asked in CUET exam is, they don't ask for any languages which you are taking in the entrance exam. Even though you take English subject, if you are preparing for Banaras in the university, they would be not considering the score for their particular intake. And they ask for general aptitude test, and domain specific subjects is not applicable to their intake again. And coming to the total score offered by this particular university is 250 due to general aptitude test. Now coming to the seventh one, Rajiv Gandhi University. Location is located in Arunachal Pradesh. Course offered is BLLB, not an honors program. Subjects required in CUET is, they do not ask for any languages, not ask for general aptitude test, but the only thing they ask is any one from the 23 subjects. This one they are asking. As I told earlier, there are totally of 23 domain specific subjects, and of this total one, they are just asking with you a single subject for this particular university. Now coming to the eighth one, Central University of South Bihar. The location is located in Gaya, Bihar, and course offered is BLLB honors program, but BBLLB is a normal program. Subject required in CUET is, they too ask for English and general aptitude test, and they don't ask for domain specific subjects. Now coming to the ninth one, Babasaheb Bhimrao Ambedkar University, which is located in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. The course offered is only a single program, that is BBLLB honors, and the language they ask for subject required in CUET is any one out of 13 languages. As I told, there are total of 13 languages in CUET UG 2025, and they ask any one particular language for their intake. However, the course total mark would be 250 for the particular language, and they don't ask for general aptitude test. The domain specific subject, you must keep a very clear note, they are asking any three of the followings. Those are computer science, political science, geography, history and economics. They ask any three. So the total score for domain specific subject would be 250 into 3 subjects, so that the total will be 750, and there is a one language paper, so the total number score validated by the particular university is 1000. So keep the note and prepare accordingly. Now coming to the 10th one, Central University of Punjab, which location is in Bathinda, and the course offered to BBLLB honors, which is the only program. The subject required in CUET are, they ask for the language English, and the general aptitude test, they are asking the scores, and for domain specific subjects, it's not applicable for their particular intake. Now coming to Central University of Karnataka, which could be preferred by some South Indian students, and its location to a major disadvantage, which is located in Kalaburagi, Karnataka, which is in the north Karnataka, and course offered is BLLB, and subject required in CUET is, they don't ask for any languages, they don't ask for any domain specific subjects. The only score they are validating is general aptitude test, so their total mark for their intake would be 250. Now coming to Hemavati Nandan Bahugana Garhwal University, its location is in Uttarakhand, and they offer 2 courses, BLLB for a 5-year integrated law program, and only major thing according to this university is their intake using CUET UG for even the LLB course for 3-year LLB. So the students who are preferring for 3-year LLB aspirants for this particular university should completely take CUET UG 2025 for their law program. Subject required in CUET for the 2 courses are, they don't ask for any language exams, don't ask for any domain specific subjects, they're only asking is for general aptitude test, so their total score for validating would be 250. Now coming to the last one, Mahatma Gandhi Antarrashtriya Hindi Vishwavidyalaya. They join the legal education with the Hindi language. So the students who are professional in Hindi could prefer this university. The location is in Varda. They offer the single course BLLB honors, and the subject required in CUET is, you must be very proficient in Hindi language for their intake, and they ask for general aptitude test, and they don't ask for any domain specific subjects. So the total score for validation would be 500. Now let's conclude the session with some updates regarding CUET UG 2025. for more updates and session regarding the CUET exam in the upcoming month of May and June. Now we are going to upload the related of PYQ analysis of 2024 and tips by aspirants, past appeared aspirants, and other related like syllabus offered in CUET UG exam, other than the important for law aspirants like general test, English. Other than that, we should be focusing on domain specific subjects for some particular universities which are asking it for their intake of entrance exam. And last but not the least, we will be seeing the university wise analysis of which one is better, looking at the pros as well as the cons to take a very informed decision and not being misrepresented in a wrong one. And for more updates regarding CUET UG 2025 and other law entrance exams, just follow our channel. Thank you.